stile nambani tani tayang widow to maji ga jin rambo shu jin ro song tayang ti ba ne chi yokayen nambani tu so yu du chi su ro na tan to kare re zu zamba nga zu lom chen ndanda chako re tanda ga lom chen tukban ro cha ra wa tukba ga drung de le ko re ta lom chen tukba ga tanda ga gang la nda se ko na ra tanda ga Mangzi nga de lap tsar jitu tsu lom tsen tukpa ka zhong tang zhira yopi mangzi tang, di mangzi tang zhirwi yongdar, kya tsang zhu tsar tanda nga shoko dzoko toka. Tari, tsari tat, lom tsen tukpa ka zhong ngu sin zho ya, tari, tati zhong di kao shang, the friendly ghost, zayati. Tari, ta friendly, tisi ki chitang mada so yana man thambo yin khen tang. Ta chigi shokchak da tanda yin bayi shokchak ka nani chigi diktsum men khen, tanda la, the friendly is a tanda ghost is a don't name ba time to zambata chi dixim chivi don't raise ya yana chi jendang tambo yo pe don't raise ya tende chilata friendly ghost is a call it and the friendly is a tende under the adjective chensig ro tende friendly ghost is a tiki friendly is and the ghost se don't raise ya tilande shi jakando Tindam ta friendly ghost ya tiki kapshang ki gani tiya ina ko donji chi yinba kanshik la mela nub ma chen ken chik tang ta chik semchen zinda da yinba ina semchen tando zinda da yinba ina chik shammo se kora tes nyam chong zinda re mela nub ma ken chik ta so so tanda chik mela tambo yung ken to tanda chik la kwa lana rik ani ta chik lo ina a nice women lived by a large river and the rivers attended Zambur large chimborwa and the by attended la zakare Jamla and Zambur chimbo chicken Jamla and women's kora nice yapo apami Zambur chicken senare pame yapo chicken in the kiores lived de pares and the leaves at the past tense rawa not lived that zambo che mo chicken down live promise his eyes they or as they pares at she loved children rawa mo be pugula ga bu chong yo res ta loved is ed jab to the yang ko past tense ra ta di drong de be chong sa ju chi yin ba yin zang chang ma ndi tsu na jab de ta ji ren da o ti chi she loved children so po mo be pugula ka bu che res ka bu chong yo res and ta mo ka bu yo res at the she wanted to help them in a way wanted lana tindu chinyen do ro ta kam de la chinyen do pa help lana roba che pa roba chinyen do res them lana pugute so la roba chinyen to ta gang la children la yo chang da them se at pugula se ko ra pugula che roba chinyen to yo res and in a way moran ki roba chitan ro chi chani is in a way lana the rich se ko ta moran roba chitan ro tmo mai ba chi in ba na country chi in ba na ti chan chi roba chinyen to yo res and she loved her community se che ka ta ka chang ke na so yo ya tan de lom se tu ba ta de yuk ni te cha ta na so yo re tan de ma chu chi wa ta so na so community them to so din da da so ba chi din da de she loved her communities morang ki so ba chi dig zinare morang ke chi ni kor ke che so zinare morang ki che so zinare tila mo pe ga bu chi wa res anyone in the community loved her everyone landwa everyone's mitsangmalo ani tanda ge chodi tinang morang ge choba chid kinange ani me chaza morala gabuchi yores she lived a very long time and become very wise tanda the wise the kazang song sare changrong den ba ta lorig yo pa tin chila wise kora she lived a very long time so mo pe jurembo chilan so chota pa chone ro chone chine sinandrigando and become very wise pe jangbo chayores pe jangrong den ba den chita chayores and when she died mo shivitsena zendo chi pe zakonda when said to chit she become a ghost and mo shini ta shiviji na sinand mo shiva tang sinand and me she ka la na when she died she became ghost mo shia da mo don de cha re became said don de cha ba said she was uh, dead, but every night she returned to her community. Mo shibares date is no shibas ro. Mo shiswares inayang every night komutaba she returned mo ane shiryongare kawa to her community. Morangi so bachi tisinari morang chisotina shiryongare. She wanted to help children and not to cause them fright. Mu robot bugudu sula robot chini tuyawa tang not to cause them fight. Konsola shinang hoyagi juchintende chini tuyawa mares. She want to help children and not to cause them fight. Fright. Mu bugudu sula robot chini tuyawa re. Yinayo konsola shinang chiya tende chini tuyawa mares. Cause la na jichen shepa no. But she had a very scary voice. Inaya mola pe ani scary shinang tsawo ke moran la kechi ores voice la kit. Children were afraid of her. Pugutu mola shigores. Karchin mo te kids shinang tsawo chigora. But the ghost was a good one. Inaya dundete zangachigre and the good ones and zangachigre. She only scared them to help them. Morangi konsola ane konso shi juyate karichi cheto chibu cheto resna konsola roba chiyage cheto chibu cheto roba chiyage koni cheto nemu pugutu sula shi chikores. She only scared them to help them. One night, Kondachila, some children and a dog were playing by the river. Gomochila, Bukashitang, Kiji, Sambundamla, Zemosation Bikala, were playing by the river. Sambundamlas, they were having fun with their pet. They were having fun and concept chiboyong gore so nyamton their pet said the junior social on the chiji or la sama or the chi kitita nyamton concept chiboyong gore having fun and chiboyong gewa chipotonge yoba the having fun penmachi party no tende na some we don't have we are having fun on the jagdo to na so pechipochi de yo na so pechipo yongindo se and but they were far from home yembe na kunzube susunanda pe tarim res they were far from la na tarim bola kangot kandang tarim far from home chimdang tarim bola yo res then the weather become bad ra the namshin re weather la namshin re become bad and namshi tukja chawar it rained and rained on charpang tang exactly or the river was rising so chite and tuyong go rise la sun is rising nimaten kala playong se tikitang the river was rising se tamba and chite zangbo te tuyong go goes na cho rang poke rang condition den chiro it was very dark and zangbo te pe nopo re se dark se te nopo. The children knew they were lost. Buddhist hakogore knew la shingo shimbare la kare shimbarne they were lost. Konzon gon korson yoba. La de yoba te. Nota yichashina la de masiro. Konzon go korte yoba. Konzon hakogore. They needed to go north. Konzo ane changcholan rogo go de are needed na ra loko chongin rogo wi are se jira kapti the needed the past tense ka ji jala na ngamashi shi pananjene dongdang man shong sa chu chin to jagora but they didn't know which direction it was. It said and then it chindo the it de ane north se konzo north konzo changcholan rogo go de changcho de chok kawala yoba kunzo hakogo mare didn't know la zamak shi yo mare which directions no shok kashok de changi kashok de kawayo kunzo hakogo mare when the moon come out, dawa sharvi tsena zayonda chire came out chitangi ya chila tomba ro trijiro imban tanga tsuke rangi tamchena dawa sharvi tsena zayando. They saw a ghost by the river. Puguti tsugi tongware, so seek past tense ro ghost and donde ching tongware kawala by the river. Zambugin ramla donde ching tongjare. The ghost said, "Go away." Right? Donde the cardinal paju lanitelares. The children felt great fright and Pugutu sheta chopari said. Felt sort of feeling felt said the past tense ro great fright great than pechimbo tanto sheta chopari said great chitang chimbo yimba or that conso sheta chopari said the qualana the fright lana shia parawa shinarawa. They knew it was ghost or conso they put to knew hakware it they satiro karisana they don't remember conso hakware it. Then the ghost moved closer la ta nyero jarwa moved la na jarwa do ta chitang gup nguchu jawa imba kan sila kam de ta nye sala jarwa close la ta nye ta close la ta nye porwa closer la na ta nyero jarwa. She yelled again. She ta donde de mochi imba haku ndo yelled la na ke jawa yangcher ke jawa re again go away yangcher pa ju la na ke jawa re. The children become very upset. Quando pe lopam to chong yares become very upset. Some of them began to cry. Began la go zupa. Some of them la konzuna na kashi nguya go zupa res. The children knew they had a choice. Putu konzola damga chi yokuya konzo hakwa res. Or the children knew la do hakware no knew that hakwa gi past tense knew ke no gi past tense ra choice kunzo ani damga ji yokyo ba kunzo hakware. They could escape or they could stay and face the scary individual in the dark. Ta kunzo damga ji yo hakware damga kare yokyo ra hakware. They could escape na true ayamba dundo ayamba kunzo dundo yana. They could stay and face the scary individual in the dark. Yana kunzo could stays na de paro kunzo yaman mana kunzo deni face la na kunzo la ta dongting ro jam ro te donglen ro chi pa la face la ta na la sha sigre face this scary individual la na individual sa na girpa ani in the dark monotop ke anita kanzak te sen ro tik go go kam de la ke pa chi chitang ke pa yam ba kan sila kanzak te do na chi tonjir ta ta do o ten zamba monotop ke kanzak te ta yan dong to ko yam na tun do ko yam na te la monotop de ne te ran la de ne ani monotop kanzak te ta yan chi dong to ko te kon shin ko te ki dam ka ji ba kon shin ko res. The children ran a long distance away. Ran and turned over. And turned over past tense ran run the turned over in the chi tatachi ran la the turned over in the city. And children ran a long way. Put this on tarim turned over. Yes, the ghost followed them all the way. And don't it follow to na jindamara demsina put consola to conto jindama all the way ni langa chatang la ni tan the don't it conto jite yong res. Finally tanjik de la the children reached the home. Thar from tanjik de put the koran su chimla joro reached the jorwa tan tepa o koran su chimla the res that don't it la tuki. The ghost was very happy and don't it pek or gabuchon is kind of pugnalo lanjora. Soon the river rose higher and higher. And Marawar said soon that the Marawar and Zamboti and the higher than Torrent as in the Jetuk and rock, Zamboti Jetuk and rock, Jetuk and rock said, or Tirishara. It was very dangerous. Or that Tindrich on the Pate Penyanka Saboresha, dangerous, no shingrere. The ghost had helped the children survive. Survive said that the Choni Chonchipa. And ghost ki Dondegi helped them children survive. Pugutsu ani seso ani tarchuya ani Choni Chonchuya la ani Rupachi Vare said. Oh, they had passed held helped the Kachin Javlana past participle chatsing the past nani the present perfect mal past perfect dun den chi yor and dipa ngen la chi chiwa chawa chi chong ngen la and chi chawa chi chiba de la and past perfect la de ta pen de la past perfect kar chin jawra na pugu du sa and choni chong yor choni ma chong ngen la ku kar cha ro pa chi yor den de chi yor zang and had passed the past perfect the jaw yor and she had saved them from the raising water. She is in a don't it is in a mugi saved chupa kawani chupa re raising water and trishimba jishimba taking chutele and sambote that capture water dinamazan sambote imba or sambote ni contributed to chavia res. She also used her power to lead them home. Powers is the nurtum do titan zimtr do kamdela and don't it also young sara mugi morangi nutos in a zimtris in a day young a picture time you are used lan picture time wara and used karela chichi karichi to use to lead in a triparwa and them bugut is a tripa bugut is a kala tripare home nala bugut to nala tayagi cheto morangi power the morangi nushik senare that come there zimtris in a day and picture time you are sometimes meeting a ghost has advantages. Sometimes and sometimes ba. Sometimes ani meeting tuba. Karela tuba a ghost. Sometimes don't la tuba de game senchigres advantage la game senchigres. The dendo sometimes de la kevsan la meeting to the kevsan shira do mar. No tin ta kan ta ma ta samre don de tu pan ani game sin chi re se an ro chi bu tu ton na game sin ro chi cha ya ra na la le ta ra o tin ro chi re ta advantages le game sin ta ya chi ma la pa ta tin chi la chi game sin mai pa ta jong se na ta de la ya disadvantage se I think on dis cha yong ra o ti chi a ghost can save your life ta ku game sin ro kan ni samre don de tu pa de and game sense kre ro la so a ghost can save your life and zonde chu and chog se sok chup se pare is and life said in something to aland in something se so land then come the la se so and zonde chu so chup se pare is it then the can that and something se pare something to pa yin de zamba then de la se pa chup se pare I don't a ghost can save your life and don't do it ki chona ke ne se so tyo to se ba re se ando ko chi ta do de chi le na ya ko do o de chi re ro ta so so de ngma ge pe chu tang sa ri sha zik de de ma sha chi na re ma chi na de so pe chu tang yong du zam ba ma ji pa pen to yong ya chi tang ani lab sim pi ta zik de zo yang cha re chuk ne lam ne ten so chi chi ya de chi re sha de zo ba number ni dong de tagi yang che chi lo sam la yang ji lo de che ba yin pen to yong ni re sam gi o ti ji ne yang ta nga so ta de dong de chi sk ko re se and la so pa de ka shi chi yong de ta ti chamo de chang me kai so pu so dong de kong go tsu yu na me na se te zu ko ne dong chi to ya no ji what is this story about dong de ka ri ko re sha what caused the fight in the children pu so ka ri gi shi chu pa re se what was the true of the children in the story ani drongi nange pugut so ge kor ke ngoyu ni sita kare se are se ando chita why did the ghost scare the children pug donde ti pugut so khachi ni shina chi chi ware se da where did the woman live po da woman sinare do pomete sinare donde te na pomete ngane pomete chi ba donde ma cha ko pomete chitang chwa koran su community na ga pome zambo chi ba ani pome te kala te de yo re se da so te jongo chui me ta ya ro te ro chi re ten zum tam da gi di shita shita ro man to ina ya ta monsu gi chi ni ani 망측조 또 수지네 아니 용천치 용거와 티백게 침보를 샷티 또 나지 거야 지른도 어다 디지니 던진 덤바게 아니 망측도 솔레 그랬다 던진 덤바게 망측도 소야 지마기 년통 치킨 안 좋아야 다시 단계인 어두스엔다 년통배 통통서 돼야돼 아니 지금 녀야 넘버니 녀야 답되어 용야 치도다 니네 난디 차톨라 줘야 답되어 치치도 지게요 어딘도 좀 봐. 넘버니게 새로나 또 전화요나 라소